This is a 1966 Chevy Corvair four-door hardtop, and you'll see something interesting here under the hood. First of all, you see the spare, which normally is not under the front hood. It's usually in the back with the engine, but the reason for it being in the front is because we have air conditioning in this car, and there you see the evaporator and the fan. This is a pretty unusual accessory for Corvair. They started installing in 1961, but it wasn't all that popular because of cost, and after all, this was supposed to be an economy car. Inside looks very nice, and you'll see that the power glide selector is there on the dash, as was the custom. Very nicely preserved. And now we take our tour around back, and it's a crowded engine compartment. First of all, you see the flat six here, and see that big coil there in front of the engine, and the compressor right there. That big coil is the condenser. So the fan in this engine has to cool not only the engine but also that big condenser. That's quite a job for it to do that. When they first started the air conditioning option, it wasn't fully incorporated in the dash, but as you can see at this point it is. Very nice car. And a little bit closer look at that fan and evaporator.